The next time you Stark, I trust you. Say Edith.
Hello, Peter. I am Edith, Tony Stark's augmented reality security and defense system. EDITH stands for Even Dead, I'm the Hero. Tony loved his acronyms.
Yeah, he did. I just really miss him.
Yeah, I miss him too.
Everywhere I go, I see his face.
Tony was my best friend, and he was a mess. He second-guessed everything he did. He was all over the place. The one thing that he did that he didn't second-guess was picking you.